Oh. No, forgot to turn on the lights. Be blinded for a moment as the camera readjusts. Because it's very bright. Hey, Lorem. Howdy do. Welcome, welcome. We are once again working on Mighty Grandpa. As you might imagine. Over here. I was already working on it a little bit, trying to solve the issues they're having. I did solve some stuff. Now, when the cutscene starts, the image appears. Yay! Are you gonna watch a movie? What you gonna check out? Kung Fu Panda 4? That's cool. My brother watched it. He said it's alright. Okay. So progress has been made. I realized that, the reason it's not showing an image is because there isn't an image to show. So I added this here thing there. Also made it a variable just for convenience sake. So we don't get that one there. But yeah, so we get our cutscene widget. We set its visibility to visible. We set its Blackboard value there, and we set the current scene to this. Huzzah. Also disable like input and stuff, but here's the thing. Do we really want to disable input? Maybe. I don't know. The real big issue, and the thing that I don't know how to fix, is that it just doesn't continue to the next thing. Like, it should display this line, right? There you go, dialog box is there. Then it just stops here. Why? That really is the question, isn't it? If I do that, I don't know what'll happen. It just stops there. Let's see. I'm just gonna Google it. Hopefully, I'll find a solution, but I'm kind of doubtful, to be honest. Let's see. Behavior tree sequence stuck. Executing a single task, even though finish execute is called. That's literally exactly what we want. Do I have any animals? No. My mom doesn't like pets, so couldn't get any. Which is really sad.
Hello?
I really like animals. Hello there. Oh. Yeah, alright. You have a dog, a cat, and 2 turtles? That's pretty cool. A decorator stopping it? No, it's not. Really shouldn't be any. Ignore restart self? Maybe. Yeah, it's a good GIF. Okay, let's look into display scene and display line. This, we don't need that anymore, so let's put that away. So all this does is that let me just look at it real quick. We get our cutscene UI, aka we get the image here that's being shown. Then we get that as an object, which is what it is. Cast that, which it should succeed in doing. The thing is, we can't really even test this because it's not even like loading. Go charge your phone, lower. We get the current scene. Set that. Cool. We have that. Great. Now, then we set the brush to image. Or let's call this new scene to keep everything like consistent. Cool. We set it to new scene. And in here, this is where we set new scene. So it goes from Eugene's old days to I forget what the other images are called. Oh jeez, that's a problem. I gotta come up with like good terms to like keep it all set up. Oh gosh, where is any of these stuff? There you go. Let's do grandkids arrive. There you go. Image, you gotta pay tokens to look at the cutscenes. Nah. That'd be horrible. Okay, so also we gotta set this to cutscene widget. Right? I'm pretty sure. Well, display line, we set it to self actor, but that's dialogue widget, which is different. Yeah, we don't need to do that. Okay. So we set this to cutscene widget, which is good. But it's still not the issue is still that it gets here and it doesn't continue. So all this is cool and theoretically it'll work, but in practice it's nothing. And I don't really know why. So ignore restart self on or off did not change anything. I'll turn it back off. Just so we're using defaults. Okay, Laura. The thing I really don't get is what's different. Like, by the way, I've turned off this whole like set game pause thing multiple times just to see that maybe that's what's causing it. But still, it just gets stuck here. Oh my gosh, the music has gotten loud for me and apparently you guys. There you go. Hope that is better. Okay. More Googling will be the goal. Common issues? I don't know, maybe it'll be in there. How annoying. My goodness. I'm just trying to work on my game, stream normally, and then it crashes. What in the gosh dang? That was really frustrating. Yeah, no, I'm not finding anything with my attempted Google searches. Oh, do I need to... Nah, chat's fine. Okay, back to this. See, by the way, up here on the top left, you can see that, right? The whole finish, execute, start dialog called. That is a test that I have right here to show that this is being called. When that is called, this should end and move on to the next one. Yeah, okay. Just making sure that it wasn't like a copy paste issue where because I copied it from a different blueprint that would cause a problem. All right, just making sure. Anyway. How annoying. How am I doing? I'm doing pretty good, Lorem. Honestly, despite the frustrations that I'm having, I am doing pretty good. Okay. Here's what I want to try real quick. Does this work? No, it doesn't. What the heck? All right, so this isn't just a... What? It's getting stuck here for some reason. And I don't understand what that reason is. That's genuinely so strange. It just stops at the second node. Because it's failing, right? It has to be. But it's... Wait, no, it's not failing. Okay, but it only continues when you press E, right? That makes sense. Because display line does this. Yeah, I did, Lauren. You know, we'll think about the display scene thing. I might just fuse display scene with display line. But the big thing is that we need this to actually move on. But okay, here's the problem. The thing that I don't understand. As soon as it does its thing, it should just finish. But it's not. Where is it failing? It has to be failing, but otherwise it wouldn't continue. So where's it failing? Did I like it? Yeah, it was nice. All right. All right. We get the player's thing. We get that, and we move on because that succeeded. All right. What do you mean not a scope? Yeah, W cutscene. It's right there. Don't mess with me right now. Right. Where was I? W cutscene. Right there. Why? What does it mean not in scope? Is this where it's failing? That's where it's failing. But except it's not. That just succeeded. So clearly it is being saved. Okay. Yeah, there you go. We set the image. We get the bass player. Which succeeds because we are spawning the player. I was about to press exit, but I'll do that in a moment. Alright. Get their controller. Turn that off. And finish execute. Okay. Now what? Why does... And then it just stops. Because why? Give me a moment. I want to see something. This doesn't happen until finish execute is called. I guess. But bro, this is actually so frustrating. I don't understand why it stops there. I'll put that like right there. Just because, why not? I put our player start there because I figured maybe that would change something. It didn't. Not at all. Shouldn't be that surprising, I guess. I'm sorry that I'm not talking that much, but I just don't know what to do. It stops executing when one of the children succeeds. This executes until a child fails. When it fails, it stops executing. So what? So it has to be. It has to be failing. Otherwise, it would continue. So, what's up? What is different about this? I mean, it has 2 casts. This also has 2 casts, so I don't know what that would change. And this is succeeding as well, by the way. So it's not like... Wait. I don't know, maybe setting the game paused is problem. I was right. Setting the game paused is the problem. I swear... It's alright. It is A-okay. It's fine. It is okay. Why do I die? Oh, timer. Okay. We need to find a way to to pause the timer without pausing the game. Oh boy. I mean, we don't need to, I guess, technically. But I can't think of a... But I feel like not pausing it would be really rude and make people want to go through the cutscenes real fast. Also, give me a second, by the way. Sorry about that. Alright. Now that I know the issue is, which is what I expected it was, very frustrating, by the way, but whatever. Okay, can be damaged. No, we don't need that. We need to mess with the timer. Get rid of cutscene. We don't need that right now. Widgets. HUD. Timer. Okay. The timer kills us is what it does. This is a every 1 second it does this check. We could add another branch where what it checks is that are you in a cutscene? If it does, then it's just if true, do nothing. If false, continue as normal. The issue is how are we going to do that? So, okay, let's start our theoretical branch. If we get the player pawn and yeah, no, we have to cast the base player, which is slightly unfortunate. And no, it's fine. We already have the base player constantly loaded anyway, so it's all right. And then from the base player, we get a variable that I'm about to create. We're gonna call this it's just gonna be a Boolean cutscene. Or no. Is in cutscene. When this event thing is called, then yes, it's in cutscene. And this thing will do that check every second because, you know, it's already doing that to keep itself running. Sorry about that. I'm kind of a mess right now. So we get is get why can I not get that? That is in base player. There you go. And then, if this is true, do nothing. If it's false, continue. This essentially pauses the timer. There. Oh, jeez. Sorry, I just want to clean things up slightly. There. You went away, Lorem? I also went away for a moment, so I didn't even notice. Okay. With this, the timer now will stop when we're in a cutscene. There we go. Okay. Okay. It works now. Let's go. All right. Now, I was actually thinking that maybe we should do, like, combine display line and display scene so that it only the way it works will be that when you change the line, the scene will change. But as I think about it, probably not, actually. Yeah, I know, definitely not. Actually, really bad idea now that I think about it. But that puts us in a weird situation. Okay, so watch. Here we go. We are now displaying the line. We press it. The image changes, but the line doesn't. That is a problem. I think, actually, we can solve this by doing what I was thinking before, that I undid this because I thought that this was like causing problems. Where we'll have like a delay there. So we press this. Yeah. Kind of works. I mean, as long as it changes automatically. Like when we want it to change, it changes. So press that, we move forward. Now we're here, display line. It's a selector, so it'll always choose the first one. But because of that, then it goes back over here. Okay. Give me a moment. Let's fix this up a little bit. Yeah. So it's like looping back over for some reason. Well, probably because it's a selector. So let's get rid of that. And let's see if this does that. Yeah, okay. Gets rid of the dialogue. Let's open this up real quick. Yeah, it executes, and we just need an end cutscene as well, which will be pretty much the same, honestly. So, because it'll be pretty much the same, I'll just duplicate this, call it end cutscene. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that we're gonna get this done today. Do you ever seen the car jump scare video? The fact that I know exactly which video you're talking about, yes, I have. It's kind of funny. Well. What makes you say that? Oh, by the way, have you guys heard about the new, now that I'm slightly less stressed, I can actually talk to chat. Have you guys heard of the new docuseries that came out about, Dan Schneider? You know, the foot guy? Okay. So for end cutscene, we need the, not dialogue UI. Oh, whoops. The cutscene UI. As we set it over in the thingamajig over here, which was, where is it? There it is. This thing, start cutscene. Yeah, okay. Just making sure it's like in the same. They're making an Omori manga? Like official? That's pretty cool. Alright, cast the cutscene. And set its visibility to false. To hidden, or I mean hidden, not false. Owner and controller pawn thing, we don't need, I'm pretty sure. No, I have no idea. That's why I'm asking. Like, is that official? Is that a fan thing? AI NPC controller, we don't need that. Ooh, wait a second. We do need that. We need that because end dialogue is an AI NPC thing. Wait, no, we don't, because we don't need end dialogue. What am I talking about? All we need to do is set this hidden. Hide the mouse, enable input. And but we do need to get the NPC so we can like do the dialogue count thing. Okay, so how are we gonna do that? Because this, we can't get it from the owner. What is bro yapping about? I'm yapping about AI. I gotta get this working, Lorem. Yapping is how I work. It's how I function. Okay, let's get some more stuff that we don't need. Response, don't need that. Well, we might need that. No, we don't need that. Because if we ever get a response, that's with dialogue. Even if it only appears so that we can ask the question, that's still dialogue. Um, dialogue count though. That's the big thing. We're kind of cheating with the BP cutscene thing because that literally, we're just like inside of them, so we can just interact, and they don't exist pretty much. They're just an orb for us to interact with. I am just gonna remove this and hope that it is okay. Since we don't have a response to receive, then we don't need any of this stuff. And we can just do that. So, got end dialogue, end cutscene. Dialogue count, get rid of that. BP response, get rid of that. Add dialogue count. Dialogue. Spelled it completely wrong. Okay. Where are we? Okay, we're in end dialogue. Right. Why did we stop there? Because there is no input way to continue. I'm pretty sure. Wait. Uh-oh. Please don't have me fail so close to the end, man. Okay, what we need is, just like before, we need a way for it to move forward, right? If we want it to move forward, then we need some sort of automatic way for that to happen. But I mean, the automatic way for that to happen is just to finish execute. Give me a moment. Let's put a breakpoint right there so that I can just look at this. Resume. It goes boom. Then on display line, you press, and it goes boom boom because this one automatically goes into the next one. Then it ends dialogue. Then it stops at end dialogue and never gets the end cutscene. Oh, see, also the time over here is moving. That would have told us that. Oh, wait, you literally can't see. There's a timer over here which literally shows that having the game pause was the problem. You just realized that the continents could be for Eurafrasia, the Americas, Australias, and Antarctica. What? What are you talking about, Lorem? Oh gosh, the doorbell rang. I'll be right back. back. Let's see. So, end dialogue doesn't continue. In the same... Well, not in the same way as start dialogue didn't continue. Because it has to be different. Right. Stop logic. It's literally right there. Oh my gosh. I'm so dumb. There's a pretty simple solution. Boom. Wait, if I do it this way. If I do it this way, then I always need to have dialogue. So that the... You know what? Whatever. I don't care. Sure. We'll do it that way. There you go. Oh, sorry. Turn that off. What if Grandpa was a guy? Huh? Okay, it's stuck on end cutscene now. If I'm gonna always call end dialogue, I don't even need this then, do I? Why? Literally, what are you... Oh, wait. I am kind of dumb. Well, I can't undo, so that's... Oh, boy. Okay, now that I realize that I am just being dumb, let us put that back in. Connect it. Move it over slightly. And... Okay, so it's getting stuck there. Oof, okay. Wait, didn't I didn't. Yeah, there you go. It works. The cutscene is done. And this is for the intro cutscene only. By the way, oh my gosh, we haven't even done the actual cutscene that I wanted to do at the very beginning. Can you believe that? The very beginning, it's not even gonna be a cutscene like this. Well, not the very beginning. I mean the in-game cutscene where what's-his-face talks to you. Because I haven't even gotten to the part where he, like, walks off the boat, like, does a little turnaround, and then starts talking to you. Because that's all I wanted to do, by the way. And I'm gonna be honest, I kind of don't want to do that anymore. If only because I can't even... After doing all this work, I genuinely don't know how I would do that. Crazy. Bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. Oh, right. Also, we need to do one more thing. In the same way... In our end cutscene, we need to get the bass player. And then, as the bass player, we gotta get is in. Oh, we gotta set it, I mean, back to false. There. That's all. Well, that's weird. That should have killed us. Oh, yeah. Stream is coming to an end soon. Alright, Lorem. Goodbye. I don't know what this final issue is, but... oh, well. That we should be dead, but we're not for some reason. No, Lorem. If you want to chat, just send me messages. Just send me messages. Alright, I don't know. That should have killed us, but it didn't. I'll figure that out next time, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed that stream. It was very productive. Still got issues, but we always gonna have issues. I'm just very happy we got the cutscene done. So we'll get back into the level. We'll put the cutscene. And, well, no, we'll finish the cutscene next stream. And then, well, not the programming part, just the actual, what the cutscene shows. And then, next stream, we are going to actually work on whatever his face is. Wally, Old Man Wally. I'm gonna do that whole cutscene where he gets eaten. We're gonna try to figure out how to do any of that, because I really want to do that. But once we do, but again, like everything, as soon as we do it once, we can do it forever, repeatedly. Like this dialogue system, I can just do this whenever I want now, because all the functionality's there. So I can just plop, 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 like puzzle pieces. Good. Very good. And as soon as I figure out how to do that, those other animations, we're golden, honestly. I'm thinking we set up a type of AI where it's like... I think we use actual AI, unlike what we're doing right now, where we're using the AI system as a like dialogue tree. Instead, I'm thinking we use actual AI where if it'll be like, okay, walk forward, do for like a certain amount of time, stop, then do this, or then do that, like an actual tree, AI tree, as it's meant to be. But that's just some ideas for the future. I'll see you guys next time. I'm done yapping. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, bye. Oh, there you go. This is the outro song, do. This is the outro song, do. This is the outro. Outro. This is the outro song, do. This is the outro song. This is the outro song, do. This is the outro song. This is the outro song, do. This is the outro song. This is the outro song, do. Bye. Messed it up slightly. I'm experimenting. Bye.